Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna do a review video. So today I'm going to review this newly launched K-Beauty Hydrating Foundation for you guys. So if you want to know how this product works on oily skin type, then please keep on watching. And also what I feel about this product, whether it's worth buying, I will be talking about everything in this video, and also I will be doing like a demo. So yeah, if you want to know everything about this foundation, then please keep on watching. But before starting this video, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and beside the subscribe button there's a bell icon, so don't forget to hit that bell icon as well, so that you'll always get a notification whenever I upload a new video. So now let's get started with the video. First, let's talk about the packaging. So it comes in this kind of a cardboard packaging. It says K-Beauty Hydrating Foundation enriched with avocado plus mango butter, and when you turn around there is ingredient list, so if you want you can go through it, and also there is manufacturing expiry date, how much it contains, the pricing and everything on the packaging itself. This foundation has a shelf life of 3 years, which is pretty good, and on the top, as you can see, there is a shade number and name mentioned. And yeah, that's about the outer packaging. Now this foundation has avocado and mango butter in it, and that's the reason this foundation is very hydrating. And also this foundation has a hyaluronic acid in it, and because of all these ingredients, the foundation is really very hydrating. And once you open this is how the actual bottle looks like. It actually reminds me of the Fenty Beauty foundation. Like the packaging is very similar to that, I feel. Whenever I see this bottle, it actually reminds me of the Fenty Beauty. But anyways, it is a glass bottle, and also it comes with a pump, which is a really nice thing. I'm very happy that it comes with a pump. So it is a glass bottle, so you have to be very careful. If you drop it, you might break it. And then at bottom there is a shade number, manufacturing expiry date, like basic information is given right there. So if you do the outer packaging, it's completely fine. You have everything on the packaging itself. So this bottle actually looks really nice and luxurious. So overall, I really like the packaging of it. It actually looks very luxurious and high end. This foundation contains a 30 gram of product in it, and it retails for 1200 rupees. So the shade that I got is 155 Y tan. Now Y stands for yellow, so they have categorized in P, Y and N. P is for pink undertone, Y is for yellow undertone, and N is for neutral undertone, so which is a really nice thing. And also they have like light, medium, tan, deep like categorized, so it's very easy to pick the shade as well. So I got the shade 155 Y tan because I stand in tan category. I have yellow undertone. It was pretty easy to actually select the shade. So yeah, if you are like my skin tone, this is a pretty good match for me, so you can definitely get this shade. So this foundation comes in 20 different shades. Yes, you heard it right, 20 shades. I know it's not a lot, but for an Indian brand, I feel it's a really nice step up, because 20 shades are also really good, and they have like a deeper shades as well. So yeah, I'm very happy with the shade range. So I will just give you like a quick swatch of this foundation. So I'm just gonna take a pump, like a little bit of it. So as you can see, the consistency of this foundation, it's not very runny, not thick as well. It's somewhere in between. I feel it's not very runny, as you can see. So this is the swatch right here. So if you have normal to dry skin, then this foundation is great for you guys. Even oily skin type can try it out, but I won't recommend it personally, because obviously it is a hydrating foundation, and if you have like super oily skin type, then do not go for this foundation. You can just skip this foundation. But if you want to still try it out, you can definitely give it a shot. Now I personally have oily skin type, but still I actually really like this foundation. Like I obviously got it for review purpose, but the first time that I used, I really liked it. The finish, everything is really nice. I just set my T-zone with some loose powder and also my under eyes, and rest of the face I keep it like that itself, like bare. I actually really like the finish of it, how it looks on my skin, how it sits as well. I really like this foundation. So overall, I actually really liked it. So I'm actually wearing 3 layers of this foundation today. Yes, you heard it right, 3 layers. I usually don't wear, but just for the video purpose, I wanted to see how buildable it is. That's the only reason I wore like 3 pump of this foundation. And I actually think it's a super lightweight. I still don't feel that I'm wearing a foundation. Like it's very lightweight. When I applied first layer, it was like super natural and very lightweight. So yeah, definitely it is super lightweight, as it says it's a lightweight foundation. I agree to that. This foundation also claims that it is a full coverage foundation, but I personally do not think that it is a full coverage foundation. The coverage of this foundation, I feel it's very natural. Obviously you can build it up and it comes up to a medium coverage, but it is not at all a full coverage foundation because I still can see my blemishes here and there. Obviously now I have applied 3 layers, so it's not that visible, but with just 1 or 2 layers it is a bit visible. I don't have that much of scarring, so yeah, it's not a full coverage foundation, that you have to keep in mind. But apart from that, I actually really liked it, and I actually don't mind full coverage natural. It actually looks very natural on the skin. So if you talk about the longevity of this foundation, it is super long lasting. I feel I have wore this foundation for 8 hours and it was intact. Now after like 5 hours I was checking on the foundation whether it has like moved away or something. So the way I have actually applied it, it was actually intact and it was looking exactly the same way after 5 hours as well. So yeah, it is a super long lasting product, and I have actually wore this foundation for 8 to 9 hours, and after that as well the foundation was really nice, intact. Just that my T-zone was a little bit oily, like my nose area, but that's actually with every other foundation because I have oily skin type, and this is a hydrating foundation, so I was expecting that. But for 5 hours there was no changes. It was looking exactly the same way that I have applied it. I was very impressed with this foundation. It is a really nice foundation, so yeah, you can definitely give this one a try. It gives actually very natural finish as well, and also this is super lightweight. What more you need? 1200 rupees for this foundation is definitely worth it, and you can definitely invest in this one if you want. I actually really like this foundation, so yeah, you can definitely go ahead and try this one out. Now I personally got this foundation on offer. I got it on Women's Day. There was a sale, 10% off on K Beauty foundation, so that time I got it. So I got it on a 10% off, and this is, I guess, only available on Nykaa, and I also got it from Nykaa itself. So I will mention the link in the description box, so you can go ahead and check that out, and if you want to buy it, you can go ahead and purchase it as well. Although I have oily skin type, I still really like this foundation. It is super lightweight, super natural. I personally love this foundation, so I will definitely recommend you guys to try this one out if you haven't tried it already. You're gonna love this foundation. But if you have oily skin, I won't recommend it. But if you still want to try it like I did, then give it a try. I though actually really liked it, and also with this foundation it layered up the products really nicely, like my contour, blush, highlighter, everything really nicely on top of it. Also I will mention few of my shade references in the description box, so do check that out. So you can definitely go ahead and check that out. Now I don't know my MAC shade, so I can't really tell, but I'm somewhere between NC 40-44 I feel, but I don't know exactly, so I won't be able to tell you guys my MAC reference. But for Maybelline, I am in the shade 332 Warm Caramel. On my right hand side I have used this primer. This is the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer, and on my left hand side I haven't used any primer, and actually I think without a primer is also equally good, but with a primer it's actually much better. I definitely feel that this primer did blur out my pores a bit, so my right hand side actually looks very good and smooth, whereas my left hand side also looks equally fine. But yeah, I guess with a primer it's a little bit much better. So now let's get started with the demo. So I've already prepped my skin, and I'm going to use a primer onto my right hand side, and I'm not going to use any primer onto my left hand side because I want to see how it performs with the primer and without a primer. So that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to use this e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer, and I'm just going to apply it on my right hand side. Then for foundation, I'm using this K Beauty Hydrating Foundation, and I'm just going to take a pump of it. So this is a 1 pump of the foundation, as you can see. So on my right hand side I'm going to use a sponge, and for my left hand side I'm going to use a kabuki brush to blend out the foundation. So I'm just going to dot it all over my face first. So I've just used half a pump. There's still a lot of product behind my hand, so I'm just going to blend out this with a sponge. So this is what one layer of the foundation looks. I have just applied it on my right hand side with the sponge, and this is how it looks like. It looks really nice, but it is very like natural. It is not at all a full coverage foundation. It seems very natural and very hydrating as well. So yeah, it is a really nice foundation. So I'm going to do the same thing. First I'm just going to dot it all over my face, and I'm just going to blend it out with a brush. So this is how it looks like. This is just one layer of the foundation, and I feel the brush side has given a little bit more coverage than the sponge, because obviously sponge does absorb a little bit of product. So yeah, the coverage is actually a little bit more onto my left hand side with a brush, but whereas my sponge side looks very natural and I don't feel there's any coverage. It's very sheer. So I will try and build this foundation. So I'm going to apply second layer of the foundation. So I've took one more pump of the foundation, and I'm going to try and build this foundation, and I will let you know how it looks. So I'm just going to apply it right side with my sponge and left side with my brush, and I will show you all how it looks. So this is what 2 layers of the foundation looks like. It's really nice. It is definitely very natural, not full coverage at all. I can still see my scars peeking through. So yeah, it's very natural coverage. Like the finish is very natural, I feel. It's not at all a full coverage foundation. You can definitely build this up. It's super lightweight as well. Like I have applied 2 layers and still I don't feel that I'm wearing like a foundation. So I'm actually thinking of building it more. I'm gonna take one more pump of this foundation, and I will see how it looks after that. Now obviously I don't wear 3 pumps of the foundation, but just for the sake of this video I'm gonna try and build this up more. I want to see how well you can build this up. Like if you can layer this foundation 2 to 3 times, that's what I want to check. So yeah, I'm going to do that, and this time I'm actually going to use just the brush. I want to see how it looks, and as you can see, the foundation is very hydrating and very dewy as well. There's a really nice glow on my face. So yeah, the foundation is actually really nice. It says it's hydrating foundation, and yes, it is a hydrating foundation. As you can see, there's a really nice glow on my face. I really like that. So I'm just going to take another pump and I will see how it is. So this is what 3 layers of the foundation looks like, and I still don't like feel that heavy, like I'm wearing 3 layers of the foundation, but no, it's very lightweight. Now actually the coverage is like a medium coverage, I would say, but it's definitely not a full coverage foundation. You can definitely build this up, but it's not a full coverage foundation. That you have to keep in mind. Now I personally have oily skin, but still I'm actually liking it. So now I will just complete my entire makeup and I will be right back. So yeah, that was the demo, and I personally love this foundation. I'm absolutely in love. It's a really nice foundation, so you can definitely check this one out as well. I will mention all the links in the description box, so you can go ahead and check that out. And yeah, that's it with the video, guys. I hope you like this video. If you did like this video, then please hit that like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And beside the subscribe button, there's a bell icon, so don't forget to hit that bell icon as well, so that you'll always get a notification whenever I upload a new video. So that's it. Bye bye. See you in my next one.